I'm going to talk about the accounting calculators. This calculator is small, it's portable, it may operate on electrical power or batteries. Accounting calculators have a paper tape so you can maintain a record of the data that's input and compare it to the data you're supposed to input to make sure you didn't miss any data. The electronic calculators and the portables have a tax button so that you can input the tax rate. The accounting calculator should always have a memory, a percent button. This calculator has a grand total button so that you can add several groups of items and then get a grand total of the groups. The accounting calculator requires decimal settings, and you may set to various decimals. The button size on the smaller calculator makes it a little difficult to use. The bigger button size is easier to use, and the tape will print the negative values in red.